Well, yeah, I'm in Cartagena. Everybody should come to Cartagena in Spain. You know why? Because you can get a car park here. This is the easiest city in Spain. Look, there's one there. It's incredible. Yes, I am surprised about car parking. However, first things first, I've got to correct myself. It's Cartagena. It's not Cartagena as we would spell it in English. You drop the G and bring in a H. So it's Cartagena. And yes, it is a small town. I parked on the outskirts of the city here. So I'm not in the city centre here. It's a little bit out of the city, so it was very, very quiet. Look, it ranks number 25 in Spain on population. It's 220,000 people. So yes, it is a smaller city. But it's also one of Spain's oldest and most culturally layered port cities. So yes, once again, a port city in Spain. They are beautiful. This place here, Cartagena, has 2,500 years of history. So in this video, we'll talk about that. We'll also visit the port. And it is a beautiful port. The water was absolutely stunning. It's one of Europe's most active ports. We'll also visit one of Spain's best preserved Roman theatres. It was rediscovered in Cartagena in 1988. It was buried and it's been rediscovered and brought back to life, and it's approximately 2,025 years old. We also go for a walk through the town centre, a beautiful, clean, modern town centre with all the best retail outlets. Very, very impressive. So this is part one of my videos on Cartagena, or Cartagena I should say. The second one will be on the famous festival, the Cartagenans versus the Romans, a huge historical reenactment held every year. They're in full costume, so that's part two. I'm not really that much of a historian. I've never really been that interested in it, but until I came to Spain, because it plays such a big part in everything here. Everywhere you go, people talk about history. So I'm gradually getting more interested in it. But yeah, it's a very sleepy little town, this one. It's on the coast, so I'm going to try and find the coast and have a look at the water, see what that looks like. Water is a beautiful colour. Incredible colour. Yeah, well, this is Cartagena, a seaside Spanish city. Cartagena. Nobody really talks about it. I didn't know anything about it, but it's beautiful here. Navy ships are here. There's plenty of fishermen out. But the colour of the water is magnificent. You know, the city itself dates back over 2,000 years in history. In 1988, they discovered a Roman theatre under the old cathedral here in Cartagena. It's one of the most important Roman sites in the world. So it's just amazing whichever city you go to, the history involved. Yeah, so as you can see, Cartagena doesn't have the same sort of tourist numbers that some of the other bigger Spanish cities have. It's very peaceful after being to Malaga the other day. That was flat out. But this is very nice, very clean too, Cartagena. Yeah, so it's a Friday afternoon and they put all these chairs out. I don't know what quite for, but long lines of chairs. This is the Roman theatre that was uncovered in 1988. Believed to be over 2,000 years old. They're saying one of the greatest Roman examples uncovered. Crazy. Look at these pillars that have been uncovered. They let you walk on these steps which have been put in place. That's the original. Amazing. This is Cartagena. On the coast of Spain, it was a late minute decision to come here because I can't fit everything in. I've got to get back to Madrid to fly home to Australia. I'm glad I dropped in here. Beautiful little city, Cartagena. You can get around easily, have a look at lots of things. Yeah, well worth the trip here. This section was built at the end of the 3rd century BC. Alright, now I've stopped in here at the Cotton Grill American restaurant. And I've ordered a burrito. So this is my first sort of American meal since I've been in Spain. So let's have a taste of this. This will be interesting. Well, that was an enjoyable little stay there in Cartagena. You notice I've dropped the G and replaced it with a H because that's how they like to have it pronounced. But right on the coast. This is very, very impressive, this little city. Out of all the cities I've been to, it's a small one, of course. It's not like Madrid or Barcelona or Seville, but it's a beautiful little city, well laid out. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed some of that, and I'll see you in the next one.